In this video, we're going to explore the next item, which is the padding left. So right now we have adjusted and we explored the box sizing. And what we want to do now is we want to assign now a proper padding to the very left of this, or basically a left padding here in this div. Because right now you can see here we have this and we move our padding right. We have a padding right of 20, and let's assign here also another padding of left of 20 pixels. So let's explore that one. So we use here the command padding left, and in here we say 20 pixels, and once we do that and save this, you can see here now we save this, and now the content has been squeezed in. You can see here the exact width, and this is the height, so 40 pixels in width and the height of 60 pixels. And this is because the padding here has been set on padding left here. And if you would this instead of border box we adjust it to content box, you will see that this will expand now again, and there's this full site here, or this is the full 100 pixels of the content, and everything else will be an add-on. And of course you see here the ABC, or the text right now, is set to text align right, and this is the reason why it pushes to the right side, because of that. And let's put this back on border box. There we are. Once we save that, we put this here, and this is the way how we can use padding. And now we have assigned, and we can even assign these all unique. Let's do something unique. Let's say we give this 5, 10, 15, and 20, and then if we do this and refresh now, you see we have all different paddings depending on the location of where we have assigned them to. Padding top of 5, padding bottom of 10, padding right of 15, and padding 20, or padding left of 20. And that's how you can do it, but of course there's a way to make it more efficient, and I will show you in the next video how to do this. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.